the National Assembly approves the appointment of the Honorable Ben Momanyi, MP, a member of the National Assembly, to the Parliamentary Service Commission under subsection C, Roman 2 of the said article.
Thutha wa ngucanio ya no gatagati ka mũmbunge Ben Momanyi na Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr. ukurugamirira Wiper thiini wa PSC, gutamanio kwa ritwa ria Momanyi nikuo kuonanirie njatukano nene iria iriho gatagati ka Wiper na ciama ingi cia NASA. Mutongoria wa aria nini John Mbadi na munyiti mucarisha Junet Mohamed nimokiriire Wiper na njira ndito makiuga keu ni kionereria kiiganu Wiper irarutithania wira na Jubilee.
This is a very serious matter. Having Wiper nominee going through the Jubilee direction, Mr. Speaker, to reach this house is something that really cannot be taken easily. It cannot be taken easily. You can even hear the shouts from the other side.
Mr. Speaker, it's very unfortunate that the nominee for Wiper went the names together with the Jubilee, Mr. Speaker. It would have been better if it had come with ours, Mr. Speaker. But now that it has gone with Jubilee, we say God help them, inshallah.
No mĩario ĩno ya Junet na Mbadi ndĩnamũkĩrwo wega nĩ ambunge a Wiper, makiria muno mũmbunge wa Kitui Central Makali Mulu.
Let anybody undermine a Wiper, and in terms of membership, we are up to the task, Mr. Speaker. We are up to the task. And I want to promise this house, you know, Mr. Speaker, when you want to seduce a girl, and the girl keeps on running away from you, you can always think about an alternative. So let people think that we don't have an alternative, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, it is very, very sad that, you know, the arrogance of ODM is calling a whole party a dog. Speaker, this is not the leadership.
No Speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi ni ateteire itua ria gutemania ritwa ria Momanyi.
We appreciate the procedures that the leader of the majority party has not nominated the Honorable John Mbadi, or indeed even the names that he presented from his party. And indeed that those names, all of them, will be before the House. It is for the House to make what it desires to do with them.
Thutha wa ndereti kunyita thinga, mũmbunge wa Kisumu West Olago Aluoch ni arutire mukana utiganu uria uriho wahota gwaturania NASA.
The line that this debate is taking may even wreak havoc in NASA. I notice the happiness that our brothers and sisters on the other side have is very threatening to me.
Na kurumirira mukana uria urutitwo ni Jubilee wa kuguithia ritwa ria Gladys Wanga, ODM ni ihoete o ringi iheo nginyagia muthenya wa keri kiumia turorete kurehe maritwa make. Ona thutha wa speaker kuhe kiama kia ODM ihinda makiria kirehe maritwa, mutongoria wa aria ingi Adan Duale ni atitirithitie ni meguthie na mbere materete maritwa matano mana ma Jubilee na rimwe ria Wiper. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.